Imagine this. You know that a customer should have placed a large order, but you can't seem to find it. Why does it have to take help desk several days to find lost waybills? And you know that invoices get lost in transition and nobody seems to be able to fix the root problem. Do you recognize any of this from your daily work? Today, I will talk about a smart tool called the Baseline Portal, which fixes all of these problems. But first, let me tell you what happened with this guitar. I ordered it over the internet for my daughter, and I got concerned because it didn't show up when I expected it to. Now, I am old enough to remember a time when all I could have done was to call the shop and ask them what happened to the guitar, only to get the discouraging answer that we've sent it, but if it doesn't show up within a week, please call back. As it was now, I simply followed a link on the confirmation mail I got from the shop. And within minutes, I learned that the guitar had been sent, but to the wrong distribution point. I further learned that it had been returned to the main distribution hub, and that it awaited to be sent out again the next day, and this time, hopefully, to the right distribution point. And as you can see, it arrived safely. Now, the point of this story is that a tracking system was in place that allowed me, the end user, to keep track of exactly the thing that I was interested in among millions of other transactions going on at the same time. You have to admit that monitoring systems are smart, right? In fact, the Baseline Portal works pretty much in the same way. Now, you may think that I am about to provide you with a delicious recipe, but that is not the case. In many companies, you get the same feeling as looking down into a pot of spaghetti when trying to figure out how message interchanges work between systems. Nowadays, you can package each interchange separately, just like this. The Baseline Portal lets you describe each interchange in simple terms. It makes it smooth to hook up all the tech stuff that makes it tick. And finally, it provides smart views into each separate transaction, so you can start asking the questions that are relevant to you. You can even get answers before you know there is a question, thanks to proactive monitoring and logging. So, instead of asking for a missing piece of information, the system will let you know an error occurred long before your business is being affected. Finally, I will provide you with an example of how much money and time you can save by adding this smart service to your business. One of our customers decreased occasional delays in their supply chain from 6 hours to mere minutes. Each time used to cause heavy penalties and require extra staff to be ordered overtime. Our customer estimated that each such incident costed approximately 1 million Swedish crowns. By eliminating the time it took from the error to occur until it has been analyzed and fixed, not only did our customers save 2 million Swedish crowns each year, they also increased the service to their customers. So, the Baseline Portal is the smart, smooth, and simple way to gain control over your information flows. Thank you.